Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard AI to help you plan your trip wherever you're traveling. Don't forget that Bard AI generates all the information from Google, so they have all the up-to-date information that can help you. Instead of checking 100 different websites when planning your travel or vacation, you can simply use Bard AI. Let me show you. Please help me plan my trip to Miami on 21st of, let's say, March to 29th. Please advise on good deals about flights and hotels. I am traveling from New York City. Let's see. This is what I meant by saying over here, guys. So far we've been using it for location services, for GPS. We've been using Bard AI for e-commerce stores, e-commerce business. Okay, now we are going to get the best deals just with click of a button. Just see what is going on over here. I already like what I see. Okay, they said that Bard doesn't always get it right and you should double check everything. We definitely will do that. Okay, according to Google Flights, a round trip New York, okay, to Miami on the dates we put, March 21st, March 29th. Okay, and the next is the hotels at the same time. Okay, I found a few round trips from New York to okay, let's go. Here are some of the departure flights from New York. Spirit Airlines, oh my gosh, but that's from New Jersey. Okay, that's from New Jersey. Oh, Spirit LaGuardia, okay, to Florida, price is 141 round trip, will take 5 hours 25 minutes. You can find more details in Google Flights. Okay, thanks a lot, that's still very helpful. I'll search for some hotels to Miami, and here a few options. DoubleTree, okay, price is 157 a night. The Savoy Hotel and Beach Club in Miami, stylish rooms. Two landmarks Art Deco. Okay, very nice. You see, guys, we are not only getting like a list of hotels or list of flights, we're getting like a little more information. It's like a little bonus. Like where is the hotel situated, what type of rooms we're gonna get, for the price. I like it. And you see underneath you're gonna get like the flight list, and then underneath we're gonna get like all the hotels with like a views and stuff. That's amazing, guys. I mean, you should give it a go to the developers of Bard AI. Very easy, guys, to navigate, very helpful. For more videos and case studies like this, subscribe and like this video.